Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to check TikTok account warnings. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, open your TikTok and click on your TikTok profile at the right bottom. When you come to your TikTok profile, you have to click on top right 3 lines. Now here you have to click on Settings and Privacy. After clicking on Settings and Privacy, you have to scroll down and click on Support here. Now you have to click on Support. After that, here you have to click on Safety Center. After clicking on Safety Center, here you have to click on Account Status again. When you click on Account Status, here you can see how many warnings there are on your account. Here you can see there is a warning on my account. In this way you can see the warning of your TikTok account. Thanks for watching this video.